My name is Greg, and this is my Datsun 510 I picked up from a high school auto shop in Palo Alto. They started about 20 years ago. It was a white Datsun 1971, pure white. The high school auto shop teacher decided to build a replica of John Morton's car. John Morton's name right there. Way back in the 70s, the car dealerships sponsored race cars, and so this car raced against Alfa Romeo, Volvo, Jaguar, Toyota. Sort of an epic race in 1971 where John Morton took over the series. A real classic race. You really get a chance to watch it on YouTube. But I was fortunate. I picked it up, and one of my friends, I had one of these in high school, also in 1970. Gave it up. One of my buddies said, hey, go get your trailer. We're going to pick up a car at the high school in Palo Alto. And I picked it up, and it came with a lot of extra parts, and so far I've done work on it. I'm not a mechanic. I usually sub out all the work, unfortunately. But a great shop called Top Shop has done a lot of work. They've done the suspension, the motor, all the electrical, totally rewired. It's a great car. It makes a lot of people happy. Every time I take it out, it seems like someone has a Datsun story. So all you Datsun fans, you know what I'm talking about.